Here today at the Christmas Artisan Market. Let's go have a look. Let's see if we can find it. Why, hello. Hello, hello. I'm here to inquire about Ann Potts. How are you guys doing?
Nice of us to join us. We've already made a sale in the first 3 minutes.
Already?
We have, yeah.
Wow.
This lady bought one of the glowing mini
Very
boats in the
nice,
first 3
very
minutes.
nice. That's
Now,
good.
Since you are here, you do have to put on your mandatory.
Oh,
Christmas
legally
attire,
speaking?
legally speaking.
Oh my days. Alright.
Hey! Why spend Christmas Eve waiting for some extra fat white dude to come busting through the ceiling when you could spend Christmas Eve with yours truly, the super villain, Doom? I'll be hosting a whole night of holiday shows on Adult Swim, ho-ho-hoing and things of this nature. We have Grandma coming through on the strength. If she get here in a reasonable hour. We have a couple of scriptures from the good book, I believe. Oh, yeah. I'm your holiday host on Adult Swim, the super villain, Doom. Ho, ho, ho.
So good sir, tell me about Ann products.
So over here we have our Melman. That's one of our favourite textured pots on our larger pots. And we have the Lexington. And we have the mini bows. This one here glows in the dark if you charge it up in the sun. And then over here we have our Birdie, which is one of our favourites, our love of golf. We go to the golf ball.
Much golfing.
Then we have our Lexingtons. Then we have our mini Melmans, which everything you like about the Melmans, just shrunk down a little bit. And then over here, if you have any growing plants, we have clips for your vines. And then we have trellis for your vines, like you can see.
$91. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. I'll take 4. So aside from that, let's have a look. On the animals. An aminal.
Who bring heat for the mic, unhanded. Whoever go after burn their hands and lips. A lot of rappers ran and abandoned their whips. Just another day in the dunya. Don't leave your girl around me, he might sooner. Up under the window, serenade her like a crooner. Stay ahead of the game and cut her off sooner rather later. Use her to navigator. Scuba
That's some food, yeah.
Navigator. All the land, all the lands, all the banks. 116 by the hour for the Africans.
Yeah, right on. So we've got some brownies. Sit back. That customers. Many customers.
Streets, what you staring at? The sewer cap open up and said, why you wearing that? He said, oh, you want to snap? This face, the way you be in everybody's business is a disgrace. At the park gate, Spark, who goes there? It's V, the MC, who's nasty as nose hair. You may go, he said you should have been say so. Tipped him in cash in Argentinian peso. There you go, my good man. Buy something nice for the seed. And please keep it moving twice the speed. Consider that your fair warning, or else I'll bring it to you.